In Miami Gardens, we are getting a look at new videos showing the moments a man was shot and killed by police. The Florida Department of Law Enforcement is now taking over this investigation. CBS News Miami Steve Maugeri is your reporter in Miami Gardens as police say the man was experiencing a mental health crisis.
A neighbor's doorbell camera caught the moments a Miami Gardens police officer came into their house with his gun drawn.
Police actually went in our house with his gun out. And I'm like, hold on, you in the wrong house.
Seconds later, the officer leaves.
He just came out. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Police were looking for the house where an officer-involved shooting happened on 182nd Street on Friday. Investigators say police shot a 33-year-old man after responding to a call for a man in crisis. This neighbor didn't want her face shown and says she heard the gunshots and says she doesn't know the family, but knows of them.
We don't really speak to each other, but they good people.
And the neighbor says she just met the man who was shot hours earlier.
Yeah, that kind of messed me up a little bit.
Miami Gardens police told us Friday that they're still looking into whether more than one officer fired their weapon in this incident. Police have also not yet released the name of the man that was shot.
They saw this person that had a weapon. There was potentially another person that was on the scene that they saw fit that they needed to protect that person that was on the scene.
Miami Gardens police and FDLE worked late into the night Friday. They even brought in a mobile command center as they tried to figure out exactly what led up to this shooting. FDLE is leading the investigation, which is standard practice when an officer fires their weapon. In Miami Gardens, Steve Maugeri, CBS News, Miami.